Assalamu alaikum friends, it's me your host Mamil Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I am here with a new amazing site with name is Baby Squad Game. So here you can play their game and you will earn real money, because by playing their game you will earn XC Infinity share by holding S quads. S quads are the symbols of their tokens, and if you want to earn S quads then you will earn by holding their NFTs. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy their tokens and how we can sell their tokens, swap their tokens with any cryptocurrency by using PancakeSwap. And I also give all the specific features of their tokens and their NFTs that will be changed your life, and you will be millionaire if you buy them and hold them. So guys, this video will be very interesting, so see my complete video without skipping. And if you are new on my YouTube channel, so I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to see my every video first in your mobile screen. So first of all, they are welcoming to us in their Baby Squad games. It is exclusive seed NFT collection. So we also see there and discuss the specific qualities of their NFTs collection, and we also discuss about their social medias also. So welcome to the Baby Squad game. Having much success in the past, they are now bringing a whole new concept of NFTs. You can earn their XC Infinity shards by holding S Squads token and earn S Squads by holding their NFTs. So let's go. If you want to get more information about their project, so you need to click on the more about us. Then you will find out this page. Here you can earn you can earn rewards in XC Infinity shares by holding squads. You passively earn access. So this is the other page regarding their project. So you no need to stake their tokens, as their automatic dividends system pays out 7% in reward every 3 to 6 hours to holders. So we get other information regarding their project. So here you can see that the launch Stealth launched 20 of October 2021 at 11:30 p.m. UTC. So they believe that to pay true homage to the phenomena that is the squad game, everyone start at ground zero. There will be no pre-sale and private sales, so they are going to lock 100% of their LPs for 6 months with Unicrypt. Click more info to below, so you can get their more info. So if you want to check their check information regarding their liquidity, so I will also give the link of the Unicrypto. You need to click on the link, then you will find out this page. Here you can see that their liquidity is locked, and here you can also see their token name, and here you can see that 98.9% is liquidity is locked, which is $30,475. So here you can also check that their liquidity is locked. So I will also give the link of this link for your checking. So after this we discuss about the other things. We scroll down. Here you can also see their nomics. So the tokenomics are sweet and simple. 12% tax on buys and sells, with the majority going in the reward pool for the holders, and a 2% burn is implemented to on every buy and sell, creating a huge and fast burn. 3% goes to marketing to push this campaign into the outer hemisphere. So their dividend is 7% paid in excess, and they have 3% for their marketing and 2% for the buyback, burn and rise. So here you can see their NFTs collection. So these are very beautiful and graphics. If you want to get information regarding their information, you need to scroll down. Here these NFTs will be their collection of baby squads in all of their different forms and player numbers. So we can they plan on releasing 456 players for collection 1, and with plans on expanding back through the years, giving us the opportunity to make some really interesting collections. Think the 980s or back or to the future 2077. So they are going to launch their game according to the start from the 1980s to back to future in 2077. So what's more, you will receive reward for those NFTs, so it will be worth holding through if you get an offered for 660k. Don't be Logan Paul. So after this, we discuss about the roadmap. Basically, roadmaps are the different plans that they set according to different time period and in different quarters. So their quarter 4 of 2021 have the plans of website online and optimized 5k Telegram members, pre-launch marketing, fair launching, post-launch marketing, development of their first NFT collection, and integrating seed NFT technology and partnership with a leading NFT marketplace. So already agreed. So after this, we discuss other quarter of their plans. So when you scroll down here, you will find out the quarter 1 of 2022. So NFT collections, second release, huge influencer marketing, influencer branding in the NFT scene, D-app production for NFT staking, esport partnership, Twitch sponsorship, and website overhaul. So these are the very interesting plans that they set according to different time period. Here you can also see their quarter 2 of 2021 NFT integration platform, collection 3 launched, partnership with the top gaming token in to integrate their NFTs into playable scenarios. Think axis squads and full scale marketing into international brand recognition, huge exchange listing. So these are very amazing plans. So after this, you can also read out their quarter 3 of 2022. So after this, we discuss about their project. So who they are? So first of all, they are a development team based in the UK, having run a few different and successful token projects that they are still with, have been on the development side of the blockchain for the best part of the year now. So we love what we do and are always thinking of innovation ideas to bring to life. So these are the introduction of their. So after this, we can learn that what they are. So first question is who they are, and now what they are. So they are a dividends token at their core. They reward user in Axie, playing homage to the greatest game out there, Axie Infinity, or their token dividends system automatically rewards holders every 3 to 6 hours with Binance pogged Axie Infinity. However, they are much more than that. They will be developing seed NFTs, collaborating with NFT marketplace provider still in development. This way, they will be able to offer their NFTs where you earn even more rewards simply from owning that NFT. So when you scroll down here, you will find out their homepage, nomics, NFT score, roadmap, and about us. So we already discussed these all things about it. Now we discuss about their how we can buy their token. So you need to click on the buy now, then you will find out the PancakeSwap. Here first of all, you need to import their token. So I also give the token address. So you need need this for finding their token in your PancakeSwap or in your wallet. So after this, you need to connect this PancakeSwap with your wallet. So you can use MetaMask or Trust Wallet that you have in your system. So after connecting, you can also change their slippery rates. So their liquidity is locked. I already show you. So if you have BNB in your wallet, so you can easily buy their tokens with your BNB. So you need to write the amount of the BNB that you want to spend, then you will automatically find the amount of their tokens that are equal to your 1 BNB. So you need to swap, click on the swap and confirm. So these are tokens automatically added to your wallet. So this is very simple way, as we already discussed in many videos. So now we discuss about the social media. So I in the end of my every video, I recommend you all to, if you have interest to buy their tokens or if you want to invest in their site, so it's very necessary for you to buy to follow and subscribe their social media medias. So first of all, we discuss about their Twitter. So you need to follow it and press the bell icon, because by pressing it you will be easily find out each and every solution of the problem that you have regarding their project. So you can also check their pinned message here. So first of all, first I read it. Baby Squad Game, Baby Squad Games. So it's they post on 21st of October that the $500 BNB giveaway. Enter below winners chosen 23 of October 2021 8 p.m. UTC. So you can also check there on Gleam. When you click on the link, this link, you will find out the page of the Gleam. So this is for their giveaway, $500 giveaway. So you need to step simple these you need to follow these simple steps for joining their giveaway, or if you want to get a chance to earn $500. So you need to first of all follow their Twitter, tweet on the Twitter. You need to tweet their post on your Twitter. So you need to follow Baby Squad on Twitter and join their Telegram, retweet Baby Squad Games on Twitter. So these are very simple ways how you can join their giveaways. So after this we go back to their Twitter page. Here you can also check each and every update that they shared on their social media. So thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.